channel. We are a group of e-commerce entrepreneurs based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This channel is a great platform for those who are interested in dropshipping, online businesses, or thinking of ways to expand your target audience worldwide. Our YouTube channel will be teaching you the basics of online businesses ranging from market research, Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer marketing, as well as website creation. So now, let us brief who we are.
Hello guys, my name is Ong Hang Chi, you can call me Ong. I'm graduated from Monash University and a degree holder of Accounting and Finance. Currently, I'm taking SCCA professional paper in Sunway University. During NCO, I've been building up one of my own online beauty stores. In Trident, I can help you in social content creations, whether it is on Instagram or a Facebook ads copy. And for budget planning, I can help you to determine how much you need to get the return to get a profitable business. So with this experience, I believe I can help you guys at least a little efforts in futures.
Hi guys, I'm John. I've been in e-commerce for 2 years now since degree period. I've just graduated from mechanical engineering and working on e-commerce full-time now. I've run multiple e-commerce stores with customers all over the world and managed to generate 6 figures in sales. I specialize in product research on how to select a profitable winning product and also website creations. I will be sharing the knowledge of product research, website creation, and also how to optimize your website sales funnels in our upcoming videos.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Winston, an e-commerce expert that has generated over 7 figures with 5 years under my belt. I started dropshipping at the second year of my chemical engineering degree. Now I'm working full-time as a dropshipper at home and have run multiple e-commerce businesses. I'm an expert in marketing, which has spent over $200,000 in ad spend. In the upcoming videos, I'll be teaching you on how to run Facebook ads, Google ads, as well as influencer marketing. In the other hand, I will also teach you on how to create a bulletproof business plan and strategy so you can create your own profitable and sustainable business as well.
Hey everyone, my name is Clement, and let me tell you one fun fact. Before a consumer buys a product from your store, it only takes them 10 seconds to decide if they would want to buy from you or your competitor. This is all because of creative copywriting, and I will be here to guide you on how to create a creative copywriting in order to improve sales. Aside from that, I will be also handling back-end operation ranging from customer service, email marketing, as well as supplier negotiation to get you the best product with the best price offered. So guys, if you're interested in dropshipping or setting up an online business, don't forget to join our free Facebook group. We will be giving out free cheat sheets, answering all your questions actively, and as well as hosting a weekly Q&A session to answer all your doubts. So this is a great opportunity for you to meet like-minded people and to grow an active community in both Singapore and Malaysia. And also, don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
turn on the bell button.
If you have any questions, comment below.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram.
Thank you.